Okay, so this is our Wati Combi oven VA05 70 liter. So we start from the inner cavity first. So this one is what we call enamel coating, so easy for cleaning. So the oven comes with 4 accessories. As you can see, they come with a wire rack. Wire rack. This one is what we call air fryer tray. Air fryer tray for you do air fryer. Then after that, it's coming together with a steam tray and then a standard baking tray. Standard baking tray also. So this is the 4 trays come with the oven. Okay, so for the operation wise, so this is the panel. So this is the on off button. When you turn on already, press one time, it's turned on. So the water tank is here. The water tank is here. So on screen, you press this button, you press one time, the water tank will come out automatically. So you just pull out to refill water you just take out to refill water. So as you can see, so you can refill water. Once refill already, then you just push it back. Okay. So basically, this one is our combi oven. So this oven, they can do steam, they can do grill, they can do bake, they can do air fry. Then what we call multi-function, can do multi-function, everything in one machine already. Like last time, 5-10 years back, if let's say we need steam, we need a conventional oven, we have to buy separately. But this is the latest technology, so they put in all in one already. So you no need purposely buy 2 ovens. You no need to separate buy a steam oven, a convection oven. So right now you just get a combi oven, they can do everything for you. Okay, so we start from the steam program first. Okay, so you can see from the screen. Okay, so just press steam. So in steam total got 4 programs. So you can see the logo here. The first one, then you turn, second one, there's an arrow pointing up. This is what we call high heat Okay, so low heat, then multi-stage steaming. So every program, they come with a preset temperature already. I mean default setting So example, the first one, okay, this one is normal steam You press one time, enter. When you go in, the preset already 100 Celsius, 30 minutes cooking time. So if let's say you want to select the cooking time, I mean the temperature, you can reduce increase here. Okay, you just turn the knob. Okay, this is a temperature So if let's say I want to reduce and increase the cooking time, press one time, enter, then you can turn, or you can increase, decrease So when you set already the temperature you want, the cooking time you want, you just press play only. This one is for the first one. This one is 100 Celsius steam. If let's say you go for the second one, there's an arrow pointing up. This one is what we call high heat, high steam. So when you press enter, the temperature of the steam can up to 120 Celsius. So this one normally we use for those food is we want to cook faster, or some meat we want to cook it faster to soften the texture. So you can use this high steam program this one is 120. This is the highest So if let's say we change again, so this one, the third one pointing, there's an arrow pointing down. This one is low steam, so 60 Celsius, 15 minutes. This one, normally we recommend customer use this one to reheat food. Let's say you got overnight food, that one is cooked already, but you just want to reheat only, so you can use this one. You can use this program to reheat back the food. So the last program of this steam function is what we call multi-stage steaming. So when you press enter, go in, you will see on the screen the pointing first. So in this program, actually we can set we can cook 3 different dishes in one time. So example, right now I want to cook I want to steam a chicken, a whole bird of chicken. Then I want to cook I want to steam a fish. I want to steam an egg. So these 3 dishes actually require different cooking time. So in this program, multi-stage steaming, so we can set all different cooking time inside. So example, the first dish I want to put in, I want to put chicken. Let's say chicken I want to steam 35 minutes. So I set the first dish I put in 35 minutes. So I enter the second dish. Let's say I want to steam fish. The fish only 15 minutes only. Okay. So I set 15. So I press enter. Let's say the last one, steam egg, I only want 5 minutes only. So I set 5 minutes. Then I press play. Once I press play already, I put in the chicken first, because the chicken required cooking time 30 minutes. So I put in the chicken first, then we start steam the chicken until the second dish. The fish only required 15 minutes. So which means after 15 minutes, the oven will beep. So we remind you to put in the fish. Okay, same to the last dish. This one just now I said is for steamed egg. So the last 5 minutes the oven will beat again. So remind you to put in the egg inside the oven. So once the last dish you put in, the egg finished 5 minutes already, which means the fish just now you put in already cooked 15 minutes. So the chicken already cooked 35 minutes. So all the 3 dishes will complete in one time. This one what we call, you don't need purposely to worry customer, they will forget to put in on time. Also this program will assist customer. You just set 3 different cooking time. Then after that the oven will beat. Then we'll ask you to put in all the dishes. So all will complete in one time. So this is basically for the steaming part. So now we go for the grill program. So the same, you press in grill. They come with total 8 program of the oven. Total come with 8 program. You can see the logo here. Top and bottom heat, top and bottom with fan, top heat with fan. So got different all these 8 program. Actually, these all 8 program you can refer to your cooking recipe. Okay, your cooking recipe. So if let's say you're not so sure to use which program to bake something, you want to cook something, you want to roast something, I always recommend customer, if let's say you're not so sure which program to use, so you go for this program. Top and bottom with fan plus the ray heat. So this one is a one program which is what I call is a multi function. You can use for bake, you can use for roast, you can use for grill things, everything you can use for this. You can use this function. So when you press enter, the preset already also 180 Celsius, 250 minutes. So it's the same also. You can turn this knob to adjust the temperature. You can increase, decrease the cooking time also. So once you set already, you press play, then the oven will start running. So this oven come together with air fry function also. So air fry function, you look for the logo like this one. This is the logo. This is for air fry. So like just now I mentioned, this oven come with a air fry tray. So you just put your fries nuggets on the air fry tray, so you can do air fry. So normally for air fry mode, I would recommend customer remain the temperature at 200 Celsius. Then you just reset the cooking time only. For my personal experience, if I say I fry nuggets, I fry French fries, it will take around 20 minutes 20 plus minutes like that. So you can try and see So we go back to this program. So the special after the 8 program, cooking program, so this oven come with this program what we call separate control. You can see this separate control, which means this oven they can do top and bottom, the top heat and the bottom heat, different temperature. Top and bottom, different temperature. So how we set this one? Once you enter already, you will see that there's a line on top. Then you can adjust. Let's say the top temperature I set 160, I press enter again, you see this line come down already, so which means I'm setting the bottom heat. So just now top is 180, so the bottom maybe I set 180. So why we need a function that we can set different temperature top and bottom? Usually I will make an example to customer like this kind of program, like customer make pizza. I want the base crunchy, so I put higher temperature Okay, but the problem is if I say top and bottom, the temperature is same. So the top, the meat, the cheese will overcook or burn already So in this program, I can select the top temperature is more mild, then the bottom is more high temperature. So in same time, they can running 2 temperature differently. So the top of the pizza, the cheese, the meat will not overcook. The bottom part also will get crunchy So this is a separate control. So this one, even most of the customer, they will take this one to do baking things. Usually they will use this one to do baking. So this one is separate control. If let's say we continue again, this one just now separate control, then I come again. These 2 program, you will see this logo on these 2 program, actually is our Combi function, which means during grill time, the oven will spray steam come out. So they will moisturize the inner oven cavity. So the food you cook will not very dry. Okay, like last time conventional oven, we facing one problem is after we grill, if let's say we didn't properly monitor the temperature, the cooking time, the meat, example, the meat will, the texture will become very dry. Okay, like Combi oven, because we can put water inside. There's a water tank we can put inside. So they come with this kind of Combi function, which means every 3 to 4 minutes, the oven will auto spray steam inside the cavity. So they will moisture the cavity inside So it will not dry your meat lah, or it will not dry. So total got two programs. You can see two. Actually, these two, the difference is one with bottom heat, the other one is without. So this one actually we call this is a steam bake. Okay, steam grill. So this one you can use for baking lah. This one you can use for grilling lah. So these two programs you will see the S program on the side. So basically this one is when you baking grilling time, they will spray the steam inside the oven, so increase the moisture inside the oven, so the texture of the food will not ready dry. So it's the same also. You press enter, then you go in, temperature you can set. Okay, the cooking time you can set also. Then you press play only lah. Then we start. Okay. So every program you use for oven you have to preheat. Preheat, which means I show an example lah. I do an example. Okay, I press in enter. I want this. I press enter. I close the door. Okay. Like this is showing preheating. You will see a logo turning like that. Actually it's preheating. Just now we set the temperature, if not mistaken, is 200, 180. So it will preheat first, run. The temperature will increase up to the temperature we set just now. The cooking time only will start. So for oven, when you do something, you want to bake something, you want to roast something, you have to do preheat first. Which means you set already the cooking temperature, cooking time. You press play, let it preheat first. They will turning like that. You will see the temperature will starting to increase. Then after that, reach the temperature already, like you see right now 23 already, starting to increase. Okay, so once the temperature reach already, the oven will beat, ding 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 like that. Only you put in you put in the food inside. Your meat, your bakery things only you put inside the oven. So remember, have to preheat first. So the major function we finished already, the steam and grill. So at the bottom you will see many icons here. So the first one is for the water tank. You press, water tank come out. So the square one, actually this one is what we call additional function. When you press this button, you will see this one, there's a cap like that. Actually this program is to reheat food. This is for keep warm. So like you finish cook already, you want to go out to fetch someone, your kids, so you just put your food inside the oven, then you run this program. The temperature is preset. This one different is you cannot adjust the cooking time anymore. This one they preset already, you cannot adjust. So you just put in your food inside the oven, then you just play only lah. They will keep warm your food at 60 Celsius. So when you come back after you fetch your kids, you go out, so when you come back, your food will still in warm condition. So this is for keep warm. Then we come down again, so you will see these two. So this is a logo like a bottle, so this is like water logo. So actually this two is our auto cooking program. It's our auto clean program. So the first one with bottle logo one actually is for after you grill. After you grill, all your cavity, the oven cavity, with all the oil they will stick on the panel, the side panel at the back. So the oil will become harder. So you want to clean, it's very hard. So you can use this program. This auto clean one, the first one with bottle logo one, they will heat up the oven, so they will melt the grease on the inside the cavity. So once melt already, so you will easily to clean. So basically this one bottle one is after you grill. You use after you grill, so easy to remove all the oil you want to clean inside. It's easier. The second one, the water one, is for after you steam. After you steam, definitely we provided a sponge inside the oven. Inside the packaging. There's a sponge, you can absorb all the water inside the oven. Okay, but we cannot 100% wipe it dry because maybe some of the water might hiding inside or hiding on top of the heating element. So you can use this program, the water logo one, to complete dry the whole oven cavity. So this one is the two auto clean program. Then the last one, this one is mid prop. This oven come together with a mid prop. There's a mid prop like this inside your packaging. This is a thermometer. This is the end. This is the plug. Okay, so this one you just plug in this here. There's a cap inside. You plug this one into the hole. Okay, so once you plug in already, you can select this program in here. This one. Then this is the last one. The logo like this. So mid prop actually, this end is a thermometer. So we no need with mid prop, we no need to set the cooking time anymore. So which means we can set a temperature. So once the temperature reach already, for sure this one we have to pop in the food. So for example, we cook chicken, we pop inside the chicken. So once we set the cooking temperature, once reach already the temperature, it will automatically it will cut off itself. So this one will prevent overcook problem. So how we going to set this one? Okay, the meat pot function you select already. You can select either you want to steam something or you want to grill something. Okay, so I do example. I enter. I want to grill something. Once I press the grill, you will see there's a logo here. This one is either you want to cook meat or you want to cook veggie or meat or veggie. So example, I make an example. I want to cook meat. So I press enter. So the Celsius of the inner cavity, I mean the inner of the food lah. So if let's say we want to roast a chicken, normally I will set 35 Celsius. So this end, just now I mentioned this one, you just pop inside the drumstick lah. The meat, the most thickness one, the part you just pop inside. So you leave this end inside the meat. You don't over like this. The temperature will not accurate. You just put inside here. Then everything you just put inside the oven only. This one. Then you close the door. Then you press play. Once cook. Then until this meat probe they detect the internal heat of the meat reach 85 Celsius already. So which means it's well done. So if you beat the ding like that, then it will auto cut off. So this one for currently meat probe in Combi oven only available in Wati oven only for this moment. Yeah, this is one of our advantage also lah. Combi oven come with meat props. So this temperature, actually the temperature you can refer Google lah. There's a Google, the temperature, how many, if let's say like you will eat beef or some of the customer they will eat beef, like beef sometimes you will eat medium well, medium rare like that. So you just according to the temperature only lah. You just set the temperature, you just pop this thing inside the meat, then after that you close the door, you play only, they will run until the temperature reach already, they will auto cut off everything. It's simple like this only. Then the app program, this one is the what we call auto cooking program. So you will see the numbers here. So you can turn. So come with 68 auto cooking program. So every program they print on the screen already. Here you will see. So steam, you want to for this one for grill, for additional function, or they print on the screen already. You just refer here. So example, I want to steam egg. This one is for beginner lah. Let's say you're not too sure how to use, you can use this auto cooking program. So example, I want to steam. I want to steam egg. So steam egg is H03. So I go back to the screen. I search H03. Okay, so I press enter. So this is the capacity you put in. Let's say you put you want to do chawanmushi. You put a piece of egg inside, or 3 or 5. They preset every cooking time for you already. Let's say I put a bowl, I put 5 pieces of egg inside. So I just enter only. Then when you close the door, they will auto set the cooking time for you. You no need to headache. The egg you want to set how many Celsius, you want to cook how many times, they all preset for you already. So under this auto cooking program, they all set inside here. So this is the delay timer lah. If let's say you want to cook something, but you want to cook after 2 hours, 3 hours like that, you can set delay cooking time also. So basically, it's like that lah. This is the one. VA05. Every program you put, you have to close the door. If not, like this, I open already, they will stop. You can put in, you want to add in something. Once you close the door already, the oven will start running. So it's like that.
记得点赞关注哦。